Fall prey victim to something, someone. Definition: to suddenly begin to suffer as a result of something or someone bad. Example: she has fallen victim to an online scam and lost all her savings. Fall short. Definitions: to fail to reach an amount or standard. Example: the company's profit fell short of last year's target. Nearly almost fall off your chair. Definitions: to be extremely surprised. Example: he nearly fell off his chair at the shocking news. Fall on hard times. Definitions: to lose your money and start have a difficult life. Example: he fell on hard times after losing his job. Be like feeding time at the zoo. Definitions: to be very noisy and untidy and have no order. Example: the cafeteria at lunchtime was like feeding time at the zoo. Feed someone a line. Definitions: to tell someone something that is not completely true. Example: don't feed her line, you must tell her the truth. Feel your age. Definitions: to realize that you are no longer young. Example: I felt my age after running only a mile. Feel free. Definition: if someone tells you to feel free to do something, they mean that you can do it if you want to. Example: please feel free to use the computer whenever you need it. Feel it in your bones. Definitions: to believe something strongly although you cannot explain why. Example, I can feel it in my bones that something good is about to happen. In the vein, definitions to suffer or have a disadvantage as a result of something. Example, the whole country felt the pain of the economic crisis. I feel you. Definition, I understand. I agree with what you have said. Example, you behave as if you discuss on the subject. I feel you. I feel your his pain. Definition, used to say that you understand why someone is upset. Example, when she lost her job, I really felt her pain. Feel the pinch. Definitions, to have problems with money because you are earning less than before. Example, families are beginning to feel the pinch of rising food prices. Feel your way. Definitions, to judge where you are going by touching with your hands instead of looking. Example, a new teacher, she is still feeling her way in the classroom. Do you feel me? Definitions, do you understand what I am saying? Example, this project is important for all of us. Do you feel me? Fetch and carry for someone. Definitions, to do boring, unskilled jobs for someone as if you were that person's servant. Example, the servant had to fetch and carry for his master all day. Fill your boots. Definition, to take as much as you want of something. Example, there's plenty of food, go ahead and fill your boots. Have big shoes to fill. Definitions: to have to be extremely good in order to be as good as the person who had a particular job or position before you. Example: the new CEO has big shoes to fill after the previous leader's success. Find your feet. Definitions: to become familiar with and confident in a new situation. Example: it takes time to find your feet in a foreign country. Find it in your heart to do something. Definitions: to be willing and able to do something unpleasant or difficult. Example: I hope you can find it in your heart to give me another chance. In next tutorial, I will bring you idioms in English language with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.